Here we got a 64 Olds F85 Cutlass. Now obviously it's got something aftermarket in there, but it says Oldsmobile Edelbrock on top of the valve covers. I mean, it's cold air intake, aluminum radiator. I mean, it probably says right here. 64 is believed to be the beginning of the muscle car era. That's about right, man. From Nevada. Yeah, I guess you had to do a lot of wiring with that. In Nevada, your metal holds together, but your wires don't. That's really what happens, you know. It gets too dry, but your metal holds together great. It was originally manufactured a 4-valve 330 cubic inch V8, 3-speed on the floor, 355 limited slip. So it's got the PPG colors. It's got the real good freaking paint. Modified GM fuel injected 6.2 liter LS engine, producing 456 rear wheel horsepower. God. It's got a modified automatic locker shifter. PCI narrow track, front power disc brakes, Edelbrock performance. Yeah. It's interesting how he's got Oldsmobile stamped in there too. I mean, you know, that's cool.
Yeah, the tax. That's probably a tax.
And by the way, you know that video I did yesterday on activated charcoal? They didn't like that video, even after a manual review, because I criticized pharmaceutical. Which tells you a lot what's going on, you know. I can tell you one thing. Yesterday was the first time I went to the gym and worked out twice in one day in many years. So, does the activated charcoal give me more energy? It's too early to tell, but that's what it seemed to do the last time I took it. I'm going to keep taking that junk. Taking a diatomaceous earth every day, pretty much every day, but somehow the activated charcoal is the stuff that gives me the energy. I'm assuming it's because I'm got less toxins. It's just, if I could work out like that twice a day, every day, I'll be back to where I was some years ago. So he's got the miles per hour mounted on there, and that's interesting. There's no room for all the gauges, man.
Oh, I hate that one. Actually,
Look at the back end of this car, man.
Actually, I wish.
Very pretty. Nice and clean.
We're gonna redo it now.